two and a half.
Oh, good job.
Eight.
Yeah.
Oh,
Is that a goldfish?
goldfish.
A goldfish? How about a catfish? Gonna make Mommy a catfish?
Yes. No catfish. Don't ask.
Wow.
Sorry?
Very pretty. Good job.
Catfish. What eye?
What else does a catfish have? Does a catfish got big whiskers?
It's a big mouth.
Got a big mouth and big whiskers. You're gonna draw the whiskers? Good job.
No, piscatting.
Oh.
The piscatting. What eye?
Now you split this chicken down the back or breast?
Breast.
Good. What eyes?
Oh, good job. Big eyes.
You cook what first?